what if you could send a video email purely with AI? And why send a video email? Well, first, because it's 10 times more effective than regular email. And let me show you exactly what I mean. Resume. So the first step is to record a video. Press the record button. You can do this from a mobile app, from any device, from any of the tools. In fact, I'm using the desktop right now to record this video. So this is step one. This is a part that I recommend not using AI for, especially if this is for business development, trying to build trust with somebody, really trying to break through the noise. You want to make sure that they can't tell it's an AI video. So you'd say something like, hey, John, I wanted to personally introduce myself. I'm Darius, the co-founder of Dubb and Dubb AI. And the reason I wanted to make this personalized video just for you is because my team did some research and know that you're a perfect fit. So right after this is going to come a short video explaining exactly what Dubb can do for you and your sales team. And in fact, you're going to find some case studies right next to that, where you're going to see how we've transformed other sales teams just like yours with the power of AI and video. So please check those out. Let me know your thoughts. And when you're ready, let's schedule a time. Thanks. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Check. So now the first part of this video is done. And that's essentially the only part that needs to be done by you, because now we're ready to go over to our AI tool and simply use our voice to do the rest of the work. That's because our AI is Dubb AI is the only AI connected to the video communication tool. It's also connected to your email, your CRM, any other communication tool that you would like to send, a DM on social media. So I'm going to come right over here. I'm going to press the record button and I'm going to say, ignore that first part and send the video email that I just recorded to myself as a test. Make the subject test and the email, it's going to Darius@dubb.com. Thanks. So it caught some of my nonsense in the beginning there, and you guys see it cleaned that up. It removed it because I said, hey, clean it up. So that's how smart it is, right? So it's listening to my voice, ignores all my junk and garbage, actually sends the thing that I wanted to say, right? And then that's ready to go. And so now it's going to use the video email that I just connected, use the email and the video, and it's going to go ahead and send them to me with the GIF and the preview and everything else. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on the recipient side. So that's it, guys. You see, it was able to take my personal email, my video I just recorded, automatically titled it, packaged it on a landing page, and sent it to whatever email address we wanted to automatically. And guys, this is just the beginning, because this is how you can send a video email with AI. But what about the follow-ups? And what about when you forgot to respond? And what about automating your entire email inbox so that this is done for you automatically while you're sleeping to each and every lead and prospect and opportunity that needs nurturing? That's Dubb AI. And if you're interested, check out the link in the chat or come to these live trainings every single day. See you in the next one.